All right, here we have a 1971 Chevrolet Suburban C10. As you can see, it's in a lighter blue color. Paint is in pretty decent shape. Does have some blemishes here and there, but as far as driver quality, I would definitely say it is. It does have a little bit of orange peel going on, a little bit of pitting, but that's to be expected from a truck of this age. Under the hood is a 350 small block Chev V8, and that is actually paired to a automatic transmission. Let's see. This truck does come equipped factory with front disc brakes. As you can tell, it does have the kind of the not super two-tone, but it's obviously there's a different color. So white down there and then white top all the way up. Now, if you have any questions about this vehicle, you can give us a call at 507-386-1726, or you can always give us a call, or I'm sorry, you can visit our website at uniqueclassiccars.com to see all the still pictures as well as the description. As you may have noticed, missing a door here, but in this year, this is actually a 3-door Suburban. So, door cards, obviously matching the exterior, painted blue to match, blue interior, everything's in great shape. Automatic on the column there. Kind of got cloth vinyl combo seats, as well as the back, both cloth vinyl bench seats. All right, slip in here. As you can see, it's a mainly stock dash, nothing too crazy added to it. As you can see, the AC is installed, although I do not know if it works or not. The odometer reads 96,483. Kind of got a radio there, your temperature controls. As I said, it's a very nice truck in here. Headliner also in great shape, all the way back. All right, probably slip back, show you guys the rear hatch here. As you know, it's the button for the top, as well as the button for the actual hatch. All right, so the rear, the wood's in pretty decent shape. Nothing to complain about. Got your rear back, or your spare back here. Definitely a lot of space. As you also may have noticed, the windows are tinted. All the side windows are tinted, including the rear. All right, close it back up. Everything closes pretty nicely. Very straight and solid truck, that's for sure. All right, we'll hop in here and get this thing started so we can hear how she sounds. All right, got the key in. Start this up. As you can tell, starts right away. Like I said, this truck all around is a great running driver. Great driver quality Suburban here. Now, let's take a look at what that 350 sounds like from the back. And again, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 507-386-1726. Or you can check out our still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Door seams great shape. Like I said, no bubbling underneath or anything like that, no surface rust. Absolutely well taken care of vehicle here. All right, let's take a look at what's the good shit. 350 small block Chev under the hood. Runs and drives just as great as it sounds here. And like I said before, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.